Okay. So do you guys want to start on
Yeah, let me just finish logging into BYU.
okay. How'd you guys do on the test?
You know, I would have wanted a
Nothing.
better grade. I got a C, and I wanted to know which ones I missed and why I missed them.
Yeah.
But
Did you email the
so
instructor?
so.
Did you email the instructor, Alma?
I can't hear you. Hold on. Let me put this a little louder. Did I what?
Did you email the instructor?
No.
You should. She went over with the ones that I didn't get. I get like a B plus, but I still wanted to find out which one I did wrong. And I emailed her, and she scheduled an appointment with me, so we met already.
Oh, did she go with it question by question, or does she?
The ones that you got wrong.
Nice. Okay.
It will be nice for you to, she explained to you and she go over everything, so it's good that.
Yeah. It's kind of weird because I thought I would have gotten at least a B, or I was hoping for a B, but que sera, sera.
Okay, that's good. All right, so should we go over part 2? Is
Yeah.
everybody clear on
Yeah.
that? Well, Ellie cannot speak too much because she had a call.
Oh, sorry.
That's good.
Sorry
You
for
can
that.
do for her.
Okay.
Hard.
All right, do you have any question on part 2? Alma or Soila?
No.
No. No, I don't think so.
It was pretty easy.
Yeah, but this part was pretty easy. Yeah, it gets a little more tricky when you go over the questions and the homework, but it gets better. So let's go to the group assignment.
Okay, let's do that.
Yes, this is the group assignment. Yes, okay. So for number 3, does anybody have anybody did the exercise or not?
No.
The margin or not?
Yeah, find the margin of error for a 90%
It is
confidence.
1.65.
No, I didn't get that.
For 90, no, but I say for 90% is 165.
That's your total or that's your?
No, that's it. That's his score. It is
Okay,
165.
Can you hand me my papers?
For 95.
Yep.
For 90, yeah, you get a 1.645. But that's not your answer.
No, that's not.
Here. No, please.
Oh, we did that. We need to find the margin of error then.
So you rather use the formula for to find that.
Yes, because they gave us, and I try to memorize because that way I don't have to go to the app every time. I do that 90, 95, or 99.
I get confused. I have to use the Apple.
Oh, yeah. Because for the 90 is 165, and for the 95 is 196, and for the 99 is
you gotta use the whole number 1.645 for the 90%.
1.645.
That's what the Apple say for the normal for the 90%.
Oh, okay. And
How you doing on that exercise? Did you get it? Did you get your answer?
Well, I know that I'm inputting it now, but I have to go get my calculator.
Okay.
So I know it's the same like z-score formula
Yeah, this.
times.
Mhm.
But no, I didn't. I haven't plugged in the numbers yet.
All right, we'll wait for you.
So hold on. All right. So math. So it's wait. So if I take the 50 and divide it by the square root of 25, I then multiply it times what?
No, you get the formula will be 1.645, which is the 90% area, times 50 divided by square root
By
of
the square
25.
root of.
So you can do it on your calculator as it is. I don't know if you can use that on your you type in the calculator as it is. I don't know.
So I get 16.45.
16.5.
16.45.
16.450, right?
Mine doesn't show the zero.
In my
It
calculator,
says
just
45, but then I added a 0 because it says to round it to 3 decimal places.
And how do I do? Because my calculator just gave me 16.5.
Because you need to put it as more than 2 decimal places.
Then
you have to set it up for 2 or 3 decimal places. Yeah, because it's rounded for you, so it's not. It's not supposed to be round.
Right.
Not this one, but other ones you can, but not this one.
Okay.
You got that one, or you got something different? I mean, Ellie.
No, I got. Oh, Ellie.
Got that.
Did you put the 0 at the end, Ellie?
Yeah.
So then, how do we leave?
16.450.
Oh, thank you. So I don't know why my calculator is rounding it.
Ellie, for the next one, number 4, do the finger thing. 1, 2, 3, or 4.
I don't remember reading about this.
You're not sure about that one?
Yeah, I don't remember reading it.
I think I read it on the text. On the book. Or was it in the book? Or let me check. I think I found it, but let me double check where it was.
Do you have a cold?
No, in the book it didn't say it, but I saw it on the video part 1. I don't know if I'm right on that one, but it says that X estimates U, the mean. So the only one that I think, I looked through the textbook and the video stuff. So that's the only one that shows me something similar to what we're seeing in the question and, the sentences. I mean, the options. So I don't know if somebody else worked on that or saw that in the reading or in the videos.
Oh, no. I wrote down. I was showing. I showed. I don't know if you.
I didn't see it in the textbook.
Nothing. I wrote down. I don't know if you can see it though.
No.
No.
Nothing.
Okay, says that they got the sample statistic and population parameter, and then the mean goes like the X goes in the sample statistic, and the U goes in the population.
So where did you get that from?
In the book.
What part of the text did you
Let
find
me
that?
see. It is in the. I think it is a second. It is the second page.
Let me check.
It says here in Wikipedia. It says in statistics, point estimation involves the use of a sample data to calculate a single value known as a statistic, which is to serve as a best guess or best estimate of an unknown or random population parameter. So thank you, honey. So let me just look for what the symbols are.
I think will be which of the following statement is true?
It says
we have the second one. It is.
It says here that, for example, the sample mean, which is X with the little line over it, is the point estimate of population mean, which is the one that looks like a U.
U,
So which number is it? 1, 2, 3,
the first
4?
one.
Hold on. It's the I can't get the test. It's the first one.
The first one. Yes, it is the first one.
Where did you get that, Alma? In the textbook? What part of the textbook?
She got in the way.
I didn't get it from the textbook. I just put in the word point estimator and statistics, and came up with a simpler definition of what it meant.
Oh, you Google it?
Yeah, basically it just says a point estimate of a population parameter is a single value used to estimate the population parameter. Then it says, for example, the sample mean with the X over the line is a point estimate of population mean.
Yes, but also we have in the book, in the lesson 10, where it says political polls. You go down and you will see where it says background point estimator 3.1.
Yeah, I see. Hold on.
3.1. There is a table that shows us.
Yeah, I got it. So
you got it?
Just give me a minute.
It is almost at the bottom.
It looks like if you look really close, the first one and the third one is almost the same. It's just that they just
change. They change.
But we gotta make sure if we're talking first using the X first or using the U.
Okay.
So read it again, Alma, to make sure they're talking about the X or the U first. Which one is the point estimator? If it's U or is it X?
It says the X is a point estimate of the population mean, which is the U. Or the mu.
The third one, right?
That you know.
Yeah, because.
Oh yeah, it is the third one.
It is the third one, so I was right. Yeah, because this is the way you read it, right? Because
that's true.
letters, but you gotta make sure which one they're talking.
Oh, exactly.
First. So for me, X. I think it's the third one.
It is X. It's the third one. Yes, you are right. Yes,
right.
It is.
All right. Everybody agree?
Yes, it is true.
All right, number 5.
Yes, we have to check all those things.
Oh, thank you.
Gina wants 95. Okay.
So the formula for that is what do you call that? The X. Well, the X plus minus
it's
times
plus or minus, and then the 1 point.
So you gotta get the
45 times 113 over the square root of 64.
Correct.
Yes. Let me see your homework. Did anybody do the math?
I did, but I want to make sure
Okay, just.
if I did it right. Bless you, Ellie.
64.
Good girl.
27. 85. And 26. 498? No.
Yeah. 3 little bats, 1 little bat hanging by its feet, 3 little bats wishing to eat, 3 little bats waiting for the dark, so they can stretch their wings, fly around. Can you write your numbers to 10? 1, 2, 4, all the way to 10. Hello?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you froze.
No, I was. Okay.
5, 2, 6. Yes, Caleb. Yeah, you can color the bats.
Do we have to find the minus and the plus? The
So
plus?
yeah, so
Yes.
what I do first is I do the right side first, and then do the plus and the minus with the 526.
They do
I don't
what?
know if
What was
somebody
your
does
question
it
again?
differently. Huh?
What was your question again?
Oh, her question was, do you do the plus or minus?
Oh yeah, you gotta do first the what. It doesn't matter
Vale, entonces.
the order. It just matter that you put because they're gonna ask you for the lower limit and the upper limit. So that's what you gotta be careful with it. But other than that, it doesn't. I mean, it says first the plus and minus, but actually the minus is the one that is gonna give you. I know, yeah. No, upper. Yeah, the upper one. I think the plus is gonna give you the upper value, and then the minus will give you the lower.
The lower.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, but that's the 6 asks you for the lower one, the up.
So the lowest I got 502.76.
What was that again?
502.76.
No, I didn't get that.
What did you get?
What was the formula you used? What was the information you got in the applying?
What is? Oh, you know why? I used the wrong percentage.
Yes.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's the 95%.
Yeah, I was looking at it 90. Sorry.
Yeah, that little mistake gave you 0.
Any color you want. Uh, 495. 498.315.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And so let me do the upper limit.
And that will be for the answer 5, right?
Yes.
Oh,
And for the 6, we have the second answer.
Uh-huh.
I don't think so, honey. If we're gonna have dinner soon. And so for the upper limits, I got 553.685.
Yes.
Yes.
It says, what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size?
What do you think?
I don't know. I think it would increase.
For me, it's decrease.
I think it decreases.
Decreases, yes. Well,
Okay.
there is explanation in there. There's two simple rules. I think it was on video number 2 that says, actually talks about the number 7 and number 8. So it says that in this case, it's talking about the sample size, right? So it says, as a sample size increases, the width of the confidence in what is it, interval decreases. So it will be decreased for my, as I read it, I don't know. So in number A will be, as the level of confidence increases, the width of the confidence level, interval increases. So number 8 for me is increases and number 7 is decrease. You agree, Ellie?
I think so, yeah.
Everybody agree? You want to look at your notes?
So you said if the sample size so what would happen to the width of the confidence interval if Gina increased the sample size? You said it would decrease?
The sample size increases, the width of the confidence interval will decrease. So if the sample size
7 is decrease and 8 is increase?
Yeah, as far as I see, yeah.
That also that number shows up because one is 4 and the other is 553. I think that's the difference.
Oh my God, my computer is slow. All right, can we move on to number 9?
Yeah.
Can you read it, Alma?
Sure, it says Brightbulb Light Bulb Company is planning a study to assess the average life expectancy of their light bulbs. They know the standard deviation is 400 hours. They want 95% confidence interval with a margin error of 50 hours. What sample size do they need? Round to the nearest whole number. Explain if you get, example, if you get 101.2, round to 102. I'm surprised they rounded that to 102.
Yes, they're just not talking about, 0.5. It's just rounded to the next number. So it's just like doing that it's 0.5 instead. I just do it thinking like that because I'm going to get confused. I'm just going to put 101, but it's not right.
Yeah.
But anyway, so in this case, you were looking for n.
Yeah.
You got to use the formula.
So you got to work backwards.
Correct.
So you multiply 196 times the standard deviation.
400.
And then you divide that by
50.
Yeah, you divide it by the margin of error.
Yeah.
And then
which is 50.
And then we have to
the square root. I mean, it's exponent 2, right?
Exponent 2, yes.
Then you what?
Then you gotta use the square after you close the parentheses.
Then you square it.
Exponent of 2. The second exponent, I don't know how you say it, but it's there.
Oh my goodness.
What? What am I doing?
I forgot a point. So it's 245.86, so it's 246.
Correct. That's what I got.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
All right.
So here we don't need here we don't need to use the period, right?
No.
No.
Okay.
You just round it. Just for n, you round it to the next number. Even if it's half, 0.5 or anything, you just round it to the next number.
Okay.
All right, 10. The mean salary of actuaries is mean equals to $100,000 and the standard deviation is 36,730. You are interested to know if the mean salary of women's actuaries is different from the population mean. but are not sure if it's high or low.
Oh man.
You set up a hypothesis test with level significance A equals 0.05. And your first hypothesis is, hypothesis will be 100,000, and your alternative will be not equal to
That's
100,000.
10. Yeah.
So you collect a simple random sample of N, 36, woman's salary, and find that X is $111,000. Use the information for question 10 to 12. So what is the lower limit of this 95 confidence level? It's kind of the same as we did with the previous exercise. It's pretty easy. So just follow the same rule, the same formula, and just replace the numbers. The same as we do with number 5.
The same that we did in the number 5?
The X plus minus Z times standard deviation divided by N. A square root of N. So it's the same formula, but we're gonna work with different values.
Exactly. So our that U would be that 1,000. We will use the 100,000
for the
minus. For the mean.
Let me check.
They are big numbers.
I don't think so.
No?
Which one you use, Ellie? Do you use the 100 to replace X, or do you use the 111?
Oh, 111.
But which formula are you using? The very first one.
The one that we use in number 5. The X plus minus Z times standard deviation, so.
Yeah.
So since X is giving you the answer, it's giving you the letters and the numbers just to replace it in the formula. So for me, it's 111 plus minus Z, which is 1.96, which is the 95%, times 36,730 divided by square root of 36.
I think we lost Ellie.
11,998.
She's there.
Oh, is she?
She's somewhere in there.
What did you use for the Z on the Because don't you first have to calculate the Z? Because isn't it X the mean minus the Z times the standard deviation divided by the but it doesn't tell you. Oh yeah, by the N.
No.
Yeah, you gotta do the same formula we use in exercise 5.
You have to go to your
So
applet.
we have to first find the Z.
The Z is the same as the applet. You put the .90, what is it, 95?
And what is the Z? I don't have the applet open.
Oh, okay. 1.96.
Oh. Okay. So let me quickly figure it out. 1.96 times standard deviation 36,730. This is square root of 6. Okay. Oh, someone's singing. My child wants to know who's singing. I said my child wants to know who's singing.
Oh, yes, sorry. I'm thinking a song that is stuck in my head.
So I got 6.79, but I don't think it's right.
No.
No.
What did you use, Alma?
Hold on. Let me do it again. 1.96 times 36 So the answer that I got as the lower limit is 110,988. Hello?
I didn't get that.
What did you get?
99,000 002.
I know, I did.
But
Do
did
we
you
have to? Do we have to
you-
add all the zeros that has the 111?
Correct.
I didn't use those.
You're talking about money. You need to use
Yeah.
the numbers.
I didn't.
All right. So for the numbers that I put in, it was $111,000
Yeah, minus.
plus 1.96, which is the Z-score, times the standard deviation, which in this case is 36,730,
Yeah.
divided by the square root of 36.
Yeah.
So for the plus sign, you get the 122,998, and for the minus, you get 99,000.
Let me add it again and see.
Did you get that early or not? Okay, yeah, she did again. She did the same. She got the
She
same.
got the same?
That's what she said with the finger up. So.
Did you get 99,000?
Yes.
001.53?
Yeah, that's what I got. But I wrote
Okay.
the number 2 because it's the decimal after the 1. It's a 5.
Okay.
So
Yes,
it's
I
99. Now
I didn't use first the 3 zeros. That's why I didn't.
Okay, yes, good. Yeah,
Okay,
no.
now
When you're talking about money, you gotta put on the numbers.
Okay. Yes, because what I do it is that I left the Alma. I left the one. The
don't know.
111,000, and
Yeah.
I just processed that 1.96 times the 36 and something. Then I divide and I take the square 36, and that give me a result. So that with that I subtract or I add, so that way you will not get
I
lost.
keep getting 110,988. Guys, please stop. What did he hit? Sorry, one of my kids got hit in the head. Hold on. Sorry. So what was it that you got for the lower limits?
99.
002.
002.
002.
Mm-hmm.
There's no decimal. Oh no, there's not.
I don't know if you had to use a comma between them though.
I don't know.
Do you use comma, Ellie, or not? Yes, I think.
Ah, okay. Okay.
You do use a comma?
Yes.
I guess we gotta use the commas. I didn't put it yet. Oh no, it doesn't let you put it.
It doesn't let you. And the upper limits, you got what now?
122,998. No, it doesn't let me put it. All right, for number 12, there are 3 requirements that need to be checked when computing a confidence interval for a mean. They are:
Guys,
option 1, a simple random sample was drawn from the population. 2, X is normally distributed, and 0, and the standard deviation is known. Is it one of them or is it all of them above?
It's all of them. Because you need a standard deviation.
Mm-hmm.
You want the mean to be normally distributed. And I'm guessing on the first one.
Everybody agree with number 4?
But if I can choose 2 of the 3, I'm going for all of the above.
Since you got 2, it's supposed to be more. Yeah, that's what I got.
All of them. I have a question for the 12, so we don't put a 467 after the period. We just left the 122. 2000.
Yeah, you can't put the comma.
No?
No, you
Okay.
cannot put the comma. I don't know how. Well, I mean, I didn't put the comma. It doesn't let me put the
Okay.
the comma.
Okay.
Right. Any other question?
No, I think we're good.
What was that?
I think we're good. I just submitted it and we got all of them right.
Yep.
Oh, you did?
Really? You did already?
You're so slow
Yeah.
that I still
You have.
I'm still on the same page, but nothing yet. All right then. So are we ready to schedule the meeting for Wednesday?
Sure.
Same time or early?
Same time.
All right. I'll try my best.
I'm
Okay.
sorry.
All right. Have a good night, okay, ladies?
Good night.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Feel better, Ellie.